2014 Nissan Maxima. I think it's 09 through 14. We're gonna post it. You're gonna see the stamp up there. We finna get a Serpentine belt. Gonna pull the hood latch to the left like that, right above the emblem. And at the emergency brake applied, we're finna jack it up and get this tire off so we can get a good view in there from the inner tire wheel as well. Alright, I'm gonna break these lugs. We have a lock key on ours to match that pattern, but aside from that, either way it goes, it is a 13/16. And we got our jack where we want, so we're gonna twist that to the right and remove that so no mistakes can happen. You want to jack it up along that lining right there. Alright, let's get this off. Alright, so we're gonna get that little inner plastic welling off. And it's just one of them little push pins that you get in with a flathead or a pick or decided pliers and pop out. Or we could just destroy them and replace them from our set. There we go. So you gotta threaten it a little bit, then it gets right. Like that. Now let's get that one out, that one out, that one out, that one out. Yeah. Alright, this should come straight off now. One straight up out of there. It's a little plastic cover. Our frayed belt that we need to get rid of. Alright, and I have my 13 on there. And I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna put the phone down and I'm gonna slip this belt off of this right here. And then slip it off. Alright, there we go. Now we can just move our ratchet and pull our belt off. And if you don't have any means of obtaining the belt diagram or it's not on your car anywhere, then you might have wanted to pay attention to how that was. Alright, that's part number. Mechanic provided part. We're just gonna stretch this out and see if it matches up. Ooh, that's a weak spot. And my last connection, I tried the tensioner, but it's this idler over here. Right by the AC compressor. It's at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at the AC compressor. Alright, so I'm gonna be holding this right here, and I'm gonna apply my tension with my right hand, and it'll go straight on. Just gotta make sure that groove fits back in. Flu going around bad. But you can lay down from down here and double check everything. You can literally reach up and feel every last part of the belt. So yeah, you absolutely have to take this tire off and go in here. Can't do all of this from the top. I think even if you took the motor mount and supports and stuff off, I think it still would be, well yeah, you could do it then if you want to take all that off. And to get that one out, ooh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Yep.
First crank. On the mechanic. Power in there, baby.